One thing that I've learned by being a full-time RVer is that you don't always need a backpack to just go explore a quick area. And this little day pack right here, I just picked it up because I thought it would be a perfect companion for when I want to stuff my pockets full of stuff, but I don't want to have them in my pockets, right? And I want to be able to be out and about on a trail, a hiking trail that I'm just going to be like 3, 4, maybe 5 hours tops. And I don't want to carry a huge backpack on my back. So insert this day pack. This is a great solution for an adventurer or just anybody that doesn't want to keep anything in their pockets. Let me show you exactly what this sling bag can do on your next adventure. All right, so check this out. Right out of the gate, the thing that I was most surprised about was this USB-C. It's not a USB-A, it's a USB-C connection in here. So if you are out and about and you're traveling, you can actually charge your phone. Now you're gonna have to bring along a charger with that, but that's not a problem because there's a space right here for your charger. And then on the inside, there is a space right here for a middle compartment for some bigger essentials and then a smaller compartment right there. So what I do is right here on the front pouch right here is usually where I'm going to just store some snacks. In this case, for today, I'm just gonna throw in some gum, some granola, things like that, just some snacks that I can keep in here. Snacks that I can keep in there and forget about. If I forget about them, they're not gonna go bad. I can have them for the next time I reach for this bag. The next thing that you're gonna see is another pouch right here. This could be a great place right here to store your passport or your wallet. It is pretty deep, it runs all the way down, so that's kind of nice right there. And then you get a bigger pouch right here that doesn't zip, it actually clips to this. And so this is where I'm gonna keep my most important item, my precious item, what I can just grab and go and just keep refueling right here. So that's where that goes. And I honestly don't care if it falls out or whatever, right? It's not keys, it's not a wallet. It is just essential snackage. You gotta have essential snackage for that long trip. And then in this main compartment, this is where I'm gonna put some sunglasses, some sunscreen, some bug spray, things like that I need to put in there. And then last but not least, I'm gonna find a home where next to my wallet or my keys are gonna go as well. So I got my RV keys, I got my truck keys. I want that pretty much protected from not falling out. So the nice thing about this is whether you're gonna use this as a sling bag, you can actually attach it really quickly to this side or this side, however you want, whichever makes you most comfortable, or you can actually use it as a backpack, which is what I'm used to because I'm old. I'm not used to a sling bag. I've never had one before. So I like this approach. I like this. It feels a little bit more comfortable. And you can always cinch it up right here if you want to have some slack or you need to pull that slack in a little bit. So just like that, one of the things that I actually ended up loving is this USB-C connection right here. So I can plug that in and I can plug that into my phone and now my phone is charging. Now let's be honest, if my phone dies and I'm out in the middle of nowhere, I'm not lost, but my wife is probably gonna wonder where I am. And the last feature that I'm going to tell you about is I really like this material. It's has that rubbery plastic feeling, but water's going to spill on it. I'm not going to say this bag is waterproof, but it is water resistant. So if water's going to spill on it, it's going to bead right off because I like that feeling. Now that's just a personal choice, but if you're a backpacker, if you like to go day hiking, sightseeing, city walking, anything like that, and you just want to keep your essentials in a small little easy to grab bag, this might be the perfect companion for you.